Alright, hello guys, I just hope everyone is doing well. So as I told you that guys, I'll be simplifying fractions as you can see there, and on this side there, as you can see. But it will be better for you that you view my previous video whereby I was explaining about the application of fraction, and also I hope you know that video whereby you apply quadratic equation, because quadratic equation can be applied only if you got this answer, but if you get that answer you should use it to factorize. So in this video you should just know LCD guys, most of the thing LCD, and know your cross multiply. So let's just go straight to the point guys. How do you do this thing? So imagine yourself you come across question like this in a test. What will you do? So for you guys to simplify this question, find your LCD. Our LCD, which is the lowest common denominator here, it is that x which is a denominator. Do you see? Then you will take that x, will multiply in each term, something like this term, like this, equal to 0 there. Do you see? Meaning now this will multiply here, this will multiply there, this will also multiply there. And the moment guys it multiply here, do you notice that this thing, it will multiply upwards, then it get cancelled with that x? Or let me just do it for you, this thing, something like this there. It will multiply there on our numerator. If guys it multiply with 0, you'll still get 0 there, because anything guys that will multiply with 0, you got 0 there. So this x, it's here on that fraction. Do you see? And now the moment guys it get multiply with the fraction, you will notice now our x, they will get cancelled there, meaning now our equation will become this. Do you see? And then now this is what we call difference of two squares, meaning that you can open, close, and here it's x, and there it's 3. You take the square root there, which is plus or minus. So now symbol says, and now you will just equate each thing by 0, say, or this is equal to 0. Then solve for x. The first answer will become -3. The other answer will become +3. I hope guys you understand what I just did there. Take this to the other side. Yeah. Then what about for this one? Then for this one there you find your LCD. Your LCD, it is your denominator, the LCD, which is x minus 2. Then you use that x minus 2, you multiply in each term, something like this there. It's 2, 9, which is x2 there, and it's equal to 0 there. So you will take that thing there, it will get multiply here. All of this thing, they will multiply here, multiply there, and multiply here, and come multiply here, guys. Do you see? It will multiply in each term. Our terms, guys, are separated by minus there, as you can see. Meaning this thing there, when it multiply there, it will become something like, let me write it like this there. And for this one, there, it's 2x. Then when it multiply here, there, it will become 9x2 divided by x2. Anything guys when you multiply with 0, you will still get that 0 there. I hope that you are not confused. This is our LCD. This one is our LCD, that one. So this one is our LCD. So now I multiply with my LCD. In this fraction, that LCD will get cancelled, something like this there. Meaning that now for this one I can simplify it. This multiply inside, this multiply that it's x2 minus 2x there. Multiply that it's minus 2x, which is +4, which is here, will only left with 9 and 0 there. And now what I should do guys, I should collect like term. These are what we call like term, a number to a number. So this is what I will get there, which is x2. This there will give me minus 4x. This there will give me -5 there. Do you see? And now what I will do, guys, I will use my quadratic equation to get my answer. I will press this thing down, my quadratic equation, which is, I will say minus, then my 4, and then plus, and minus, squared minus 4, and now 1, and also there it's minus 5 there, and 2, and 1 there. It will be better that you guys you view the equation of a quadratic equation there. Do you see what I get? Don't forget, guys, what I told you there. If you got this kind of an answer, do you see? If you got this kind of an answer, it means that you can factorize. So let's try to form a factorizing brackets there. So this is what you will do there. Our answer is 5, meaning there you will take this thing to the other side, try to make 0 there to represent the equation, meaning here it will become negative. So now that 0 there is representing the equation, meaning this one is your first bracket, which is bracket A there. What about the second bracket? You will come and change this thing there, put negative, meaning that I will get the minus 1. Meaning now you should make 0 there to represent the equation, take this thing to the other side, that thing there will become positive, meaning now this 0 is representing the equation, meaning and now this is bracket B. So now I'll take those brackets, I'll form them here, guys. Because I got a small space, let me just take all of that equation, put it here. So that one is my equation here. Yeah. So this is what will happen now. I will take those brackets, I will take these brackets, I'll write them here, guys, which is 5x plus, then I will equate each bracket there by 0, applying a 0 law, meaning this thing that I can take it to the other side, become what? Positive, meaning my first answer is positive 5, which already the calculator told me. Take this thing there to the other side, become negative, meaning now my second answer is negative 1. Also the calculator told me that. So when you recognize this thing, guys, you can recognize it like this there. You screenshot it from there until there. Just know a key thing, how do you remove a fraction there. Now let me also show you for this one, how will you remove this fraction. For you to remove that fraction, just find your LCD. Your LCD, guys, it's x there, which is a denominator there. You take that x, you multiply each term there, just like this term. This is what we have. This is what we have. You will take that LCD, you will multiply it here and there, even and here. So this is what will happen, guys, when you multiply. When multiplying same base, you add the exponent. This multiply there, it's x, and this multiply there, it will be 2x divided by x, because that LCD will go upwards from a from a fraction there. It will go upwards, but here it will be here, and that one there will just be invisible there. This will multiply there here, this multiply there, and this will get cancelled to each other, meaning now we'll have a new equation which doesn't have a what? A fraction. Do you see? And the moment, guys, I've got these two unknown values like x2 and x1, it means that I can form a what? A quadratic equation. Remember, quadratic equation, it is formed like this there, meaning I can take this thing to the other side like 2 plus x minus 0 there. And now what I should do there is for me to form my quadratic equation there. Let me press this thing down on my calculator, which is this. That one is my b there. And say this minus 2. Oh, guys, here supposed to be 4. And now our a there, and this one is our b. Go down, and our a. Do you see? I got 1 there. So if, guys, I got 1, this is what I should do, guys. If I got that 1 as a constant number, this one is my first answer, which is equal to 1. Then the second answer, let me try to find my second answer there, which is there, which is there, it's minus 2, meaning this one is my second answer, it's minus 2. It means that I can factorize this thing. This is how you factorize it. You take this thing to the other side, become positive, make that 0 there to represent this thing as an equation there. Meaning this one is your equation what? It's your equation B. Then take this thing to the other side, become negative, meaning that 0 there is representing the equation, meaning this one is equation what? Equation 1. Actually, this one is bracket A, this one is bracket B, guys. So take those brackets, come and write them here, just like this, the A minus 2 there. Do you see? Then you take this thing there, you solve it here, you equate each bracket there by what? By 0, and then you solve there. This one is your first answer. Then take that bracket there, you equate it by 0. This one is your second answer. Do you see? And even your calculator, they told you which one are the answers. Do you see? Then what about for this